Rubble, are you ready for the road trip tomorrow? I'm so tired today. I'll pack everything tomorrow. Let's go to sleep. Night night, Rubble. I'm still sleeping. The road trip today. Are you ready to hit the road, Rubble? All right, let's go. Do we have everything, Rubble? Are you ready to go for the road trip? Okay, let's go. Whee! We'll take the back road because there's an accident. I'm listening to music. Woo. Oh my God. I almost hit that bunny. Rubble, can you please move? Okay. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Okay, let's go back on the road. All right, let's go. Rubble, what is it, buddy? Whoa, Rubble, what are you doing? What are you doing? Bad dog, Rubble. Bad dog. Is everything okay? I'm fine. It's just my dog was going crazy. Oh, I saw a bunny on top of your car. Maybe that's why my dog was going crazy. Yep, you're right. You look like you have a flat tire. Do you need help? No, I don't. But thanks for asking. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Bye. And before you go, how do I get to the highway from here? You go straight at the first stop sign. Then you take a right, and it's right about there. All right, thank you. You're welcome. See you later. Bye. Beep. Beep. Okay. I know, we're almost there. There's a stop sign. Now we have to take a right and then we're on the highway. Yes, we are back on the highway, Rubble. Oh no, Rubble, we're running out of gas. We need to get to the gasoline station. Oh my God, I'm running low of gas. It's gonna stop any minute. I ran out of gasoline. Whew, this is so hard. Whew. Do you want help? Sure. Get it here. Let's get it. Ooh, we're almost closer. Move it a little bit. In here. In here. There. Thank you for helping. My name's Ryder, by the way. What's your name? My name's Ed, and you're welcome. Well, have a great day. I already paid inside. Now I get to pump up my gas so I can finally continue this road trip. Pumps up the gas. Yay, it's finally full. It's finally full. Yay. Let's get in the car. What is it, Rubble? What do you want? Oh, ice cream. Do you want some ice cream? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hello, welcome to Frosty place where there's tons of drinks, ice cream, even milkshakes. What can I get you? Can we get one milkshake and one chocolate, maybe a little bit with sprinkles? If there's not, just leave it plain with frozen yogurt. Sure, coming right up. Yum! Yummy sticky. Rubble, what are you doing? Rubble, what are you doing? Oh, he's playing with the stick. Ding, ding. Order up. Order up, your order's ready. A chocolate. Oh, that's ours. Let's go get it. Wait, why is the truck moving? No. Ugh. Wow, the truck stopped. Whoa, who saved us? I'm gonna go check in the front of the truck. No, just keep going. Oh my God, who did it? The stick just randomly came there. Who did it? It was my dog Rubble. He was playing with the stick and then suddenly he just put it in front of the ice cream truck. Oh, thank you, Rubble. You saved me. Are you ready for your ice cream and your milkshake? Yep, we both are. Okay, I'll go get it. Oh, Rubble, I ate all my ice cream. Did you drink all your milkshake? You did? Oh, let's continue on the road trip, okay? Okay, let's go. And have a great day, mister. You too. Here we are, Rubble. It's a nice house. Let's get inside and check in. Finally, a nice break from driving. That almost took like an hour of driving. From the journeys we've been, it's so happy. What's that sound? Ah! Spider! I hate spiders! Ah, spiders! I'm gonna tell the front desk to move to a different room. Good night, Rubble. I love you too, Rubble. If you like this video, give me a big like. And don't forget to comment something really good. And don't forget a link down below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. The dog might say bye-bye.